do it. Coming to you with the best content with the best. So welcome to Ruleboy Crypto Group. Welcome to Ruleboy Crypto channel. And if you're new, please kindly smash the like button, and subscribe also. We'd love you to share this content. It's your own way of saying thank you. It's your own way of saying thank you, Ruleboy, for doing free content for everyone out there. So all I require from you for this free content is to share, is to like, is to subscribe. That gets us motivated in the team. You can also join us on SH. So you can also join me on Twitter at @renew_shed, and let's do it together. Okay, getting down to the real D for today. The real deal for today, looking on the screen, we had the best on chart this morning. And it was so awesome to predict the market, and it went exactly as predicted. And from here we'll be looking at the next place, but that is not really why the stream is on. I just wanted to show everyone how the market is looking after our, and just look at that Bitcoin movement. Okay, if you can see that chart, that was our last chart today. And that we say that this pattern is called the bullish flag pattern, and it went exactly as predicted, and this is a bullish pattern. And everybody out there has to be careful. You have to be careful not to get trapped by selling, because this is a bullish pattern. So I told everyone that dump, it means that we're going to dump down. So it means that we're going to come down. If we break this, we're going to come down, right? Which is not going to be nice. So, and one more thing I said is that if we break that and come to this range, which is the 42 range, from here, you have to use stop loss. At this range, you have to use stop loss if you are still in the market by this time, because if we get here, definitely we're gonna push up, right? We're gonna push right up from here, so we're just gonna move this way up, right? But if we don't hold this, it means that you have to use your stop loss. Okay. So that is that for that. Let's just zoom out and see how the daily chart looks like. Let's just look at 3 different zoom in. Let me take these guys out. Let me take this guy out. Take this guy out. Take this guy out. And also I would even like to just switch this off so that we can see how it looks like. Okay, now on a daily, this is how it looks like on a daily. On a daily, it's not looking nice. It's not looking nice. This daily pattern, it's a sure thing that we are going to come down to this range. This is a sure thing that we are definitely going to come down to this range, right? So it means that we're going to come down to this range. We might break this trend. If we break this trend, hey, it's going to be a wrong movement. It's going to be a wrong movement for us. So we really have to be careful if that pattern has been broken, right? Now let's go to the weekly, then to the monthly. Okay, on a weekly, I'm seeing a week is the strength is very weak. Let me try using the pitchfork on a long run for this. Let me just go very far from 2020 to this time around. So this is a weekly candle, which is very nice. So on weekly, I'm seeing Bitcoin still being bullish. So right, it's still looking bullish. Let me just use the modified skip. Okay, change it back. Okay, so on weekly, this is so nice. I think I love the candle I'm seeing on weekly. Be transparent on social media, because everyone needs to be transparent in everything they do. Okay, so okay, let me take the screenshot now. Okay, I've taken that. Okay, good. Yes, so once again, good evening, good afternoon, and good morning to everyone out there. This is Ruleboy Crypto. So I'm coming to you live, and this is 3 a.m. from my time. This is 3 a.m. from my time. That is 2 a.m. UST, and I'm coming to you live. I'm awake just for your sake. So I would love you to support the channel. Kindly smash the like button. Kindly share this content and get your friends to join. This is a useful chart. This is a useful channel, and it's definitely going to help you to understand more about Bitcoin, to understand more on the ways to invest. And yes, so I want us to look into is the monthly. So on the monthly, look at what we get on the monthly. On the monthly, is looking bullish still. It's still looking bullish, which is nice. So just look at what we have here. I'm just saying here being our support. So we have a whole lot of support here, which is so nice. So we might just see another red and just see a long wick that will come down here before we now make our way up. But definitely Bitcoin is going to push up. So it's definitely going to push up. And recently we've been seeing Bitcoin rebelling against the news. So no matter the news that is coming in, Bitcoin might not listen to that. So that being said, let's look at how the market is. The market is already bloody because I predicted that. So I'm not surprised. Yeah, so like I said, I'm not surprised with the market being red because I saw that coming today. And if you were with me, if you were on the stream today, you will hear me talking about Bitcoin coming down to that ranges. And even I also posted the charts, so to just keep, yeah. So now we're seeing Bitcoin at 45k, sorry. Bitcoin at 45k, Ether, that's minus 4.5% to 3.7, which is awesome also for Ethereum. And we saw Solana down from 177 to 171, and BNB from 530 something to 517, and XRP, no, not XRP, Hex from 0.23 down to the 0.2. So, and which other one? So Avex and Dot also is down a little bit. Avex from 111 to everyone out there, right? Okay, so now let's move over to something different. Let's move over to the crypto bubbles and see how the bubbling is bubbling. So Hex, we're still seeing Hex here, and the AVAX being up also, but I don't know why the algorithms are contradicting itself. The algorithms are not following itself. So the YFI, we are seeing the YFI coming up. The YFI was around 21k, but now it's up 55%, which is so good. Okay, but now let's look at the ranges before we can now talk about the main deal for today. So Bitcoin, the last 24 hours is down 4.4% down, and Ethereum is down 4.6%, and Binance BNB is down 2%, and we are seeing the Tether rising. So that means money is moving into the Tether. And Solana, we also see Solana coming down 4.5%, which means that the monies are really moving into Tether. So that being said, let's just take our countdown. You know how we do our countdown. So we're gonna look at the top 5 losing projects, then we'll look at the top 5 winning projects. So Olympus is losing in the last 24 hours with 19.1%, and the NEAR is losing with 11.8% in the last 24 hours, and the Radix is losing 10.4% in the last 24 hours, and Elrond is losing 8.5% in the last 24 hours, which is so nice. So we are seeing the Olympus coming back up to the losing, and the NEAR is also still at that same place. Then Cardano just came up recently to this losing categories. Now let's look at the winning categories. So Yearn Finance, just like I said, Yearn Finance was just around 21k few hours ago, but now it's up 31k, which means that it's rose up with about $10,000, so which gave us 27.5% in the last 24 hours. And we are having the Aave 8.1%, number two 8.1%, and number 3 we are seeing the Compound 8.6%. Then Convex Finance came up again at number 4 with minus 0.48%, and we're seeing the Aave in the last 24 hours with 3.0%. I still don't know why these guys are rating this with this way. I still don't know why. I want a good rating. This rating is not nice. This rating is not nice. Should we do it in 24 hours? Should we do it in 1 hour? It's not nice. So I think this is still okay for us. Okay, so that's that for the countdown. So that's that for the countdown. Now let's go into the real deal. So what is the coin of the day? We had this. I know everyone will be waiting for me to give. So we have it right up here. So the race for the space. So who are taking over the space, and what is the race for these two projects that are competing with Ethereum and BNB? So who are these 2 projects that are competing with Ethereum and BNB? So Before we start the comparison, let's look at one of the projects that has a big lag that everyone hates so much, even me. I'm not really in a good term with that because of what has been happening in the last few months. So, and that's Ethereum. So recently everyone has been saying that Ethereum gas fee is so much, is too much, and even me, I'm not gonna lie, it's too much. Ethereum gas fee is too much, and a whole lot of people are crying. I don't know, it's still because they are still running under the proof of work, and that's why it's happening that way. So, but before Ethereum 2.0 is coming out, we saw all the projects emerging strongly taking over the space, taking over those spaces that Ethereum wasn't covering. So we're going to look at one of the projects right now that is competing with Ethereum. So the one that is competing with Ethereum right now, who is that? Let's see. Okay. So right now we have the Avalanche, which is the AVAX. Shout out to the AVAX, nice one. So now let's look at the comparison between the transaction throughput for Ethereum. We are seeing 14 TPS, and we are seeing less than 4,500 TPS for Avalanche, which is a really big gap for Avalanche, right? So the transactional finality, we are seeing 6 minutes for Ethereum. It takes a whole lot of time to, so beautiful. And we're seeing the energy efficiency. Ethereum had no GPU optional, while the Avalanche, yes, has the CPU optional, which is a whole lot gain for the Avalanche. So we have the number of validators, 2 pools. Ethereum has 2 pools with less than 51% hash rate, and the Avalanche had thousands of nodes, which that still goes for the Avalanche. And civil protection, which is the proof of work, which is still behind. And now Avalanche has the 80 parameterized, which everything is still going into the AVAX. So now let's look at there's something I want us to look at. Now look at AVAX. In the last 24 hours, AVAX came to the top, from top 10. Okay, AVAX came, it was at the top 9. I think something just happened, it went down to the top 10. But actually everyone has so beautiful. This is so beautiful. AVAX is really taking that long roll, is taking that long run, beating Ethereum, coming up to beat Ethereum, which is so awesome for everyone out there. So we saw AVAX doing a whole lot. AVAX is moving really speedy. It's really moving with speed and coming up. So looking at the market cap right now, 22 billion, which is just too small. And money are going to be moving from Ethereum straight into AVAX. So you just watch out what's going to happen in the next few months and a few years. AVAX is definitely going to come up to compete with Ethereum, because Ethereum already is losing Ethereum that we have right now. So you just watch out for AVAX. AVAX is just barely $100. So I will advise everyone to have either one AVAX, just have one AVAX or 2 AVAX. It costs nothing that much. You just have it and store it in your wallet, because AVAX is definitely going to do wonders in the next few months. So AVAX is the next project competing with Ethereum. So everyone just watch out for AVAX, because a whole lot is going to happen. So even as I'm talking, I'm seeing Bitcoin going down. Let's look at that. The market is already falling, which is so nice. We just touched this. A little of the market are going down actually as we are talking, so which is nice. Okay, good. So now who is the next BNB? Okay, let's read a little bit of news. Let's read a little bit of news. I want us to read a little bit of news about the AVAX. So Ethereum attacks the beginning. This is just the beginning. So this is what you should really watch out for. AVAX is really coming up real strong. So in many ways, the story of 2021 has been Solana. Solana has been the story of 2021. The Ethereum killer boasted faster speed and lower transaction cost than its established rival, pushing Sol's price to astronomical highs. So Solana, we saw Solana went so high, which gave Solana a really give our platform, big platform. And Solana is in the, let's see the position of Solana. Look at where Solana is. It's the talk of the year 2021. Yes, no doubt. Shout out for them out there. Shout out for them out there. So, but back on Earth, another Ethereum challenger, Avalanche, is enjoying a big second half of the year. Its native AVAX coin, priced between 10 and 11 less than 6 months ago, is now worth $100, $110. And thanks to a 31% price rise this week and 11% rise over the last 24 hours, it becomes the 9th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, which is so awesome. So Avalanche got its first test. No, we're not going into that. So like, this is just what I want us to look into. The Ethereum alternative Avalanche climbs top 10 coin as price rise 11. Another news which is giving insight too. So Avalanche token is up 33% in the last week. Here's what to know about the Ethereum competitor. So the native token to smart AVAX, the native token to smart contract platform Avalanche hit an all-time highs on Sunday, briefly making, okay, let me not say that. Briefly making it one of the top 10 cryptocurrency by market value. So now rank number 11, that was Sunday, and now it's number 10. So AVAX is up 33%. Last time it was 33% Sunday. So in the last 24 hours, we made under 11%, which brought us up to the number 10, right? So in the last 7 days, according to CoinGecko, and up over 3,000% in the last 1 year, which is a really big move for the AVAX. I love that. Abilities. So smart contract or collection of code that carry out a set of instructions on the blockchain are crucial in running decentralized finance or DeFi application and non-fungible or NFTs. So however, Avalanche aims to condemn Ethereum. So though there is not really much, but actually it's a signal that Avalanche may have the right integrates to compete with Ethereum and other all-purpose blockchain along the run. So now let's just look a little bit into what AVAX is all about. Again, let's just look again. AVAX launched in 2020 as a platform for smart contract, the creation of decentralized application or dApps, and subnet or custom blockchain. So subnet are powerful, reliable, and secure private or public blockchain built as offshoots to the core Avalanche platform. So John will pray about the design, with the only requirement being to participate in the securing. So we are seeing that AVAX has a whole lot blockchain network has such this year. Other project have emerged in an attempt to compete, and AVAX is one of the strongest projects that is competing with Ethereum. So that is nice, and that gives AVAX the whole the few more moves. Definitely is on the value right now, 25 billion market cap, and Ethereum is up 400 and something billion market cap. So right now AVAX might come up to the 100 billions, then go into the 200 billions. So right into the space with BNB. Who is the next? Right into the space with BNB. Let's look at the one who is competing with BNB right now. I know everyone is ready to see this, and everyone is ready to see this. I know everyone is ready to. Solana is here. I know everyone loves Solana. I love Solana. I love Solana. So transaction per second. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that, everyone. If you are new, please kindly smash the like button. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. Subscribe and share this content. Everyone, my energy is so hyped right now. Yes, so now transaction per second. Solana has 65,000 transactions per second, and Ethereum has 100. So that is a tick for Solana. So average fee per second 0.0015%, which is so beautiful. and Ethereum has 0.01, which is a big one for Solana in the feed. Transaction latency 0.4 seconds, which BNB has 1 minute and seconds, which is a big one for Solana. Next one is number of validators, 702 numbers of validators for Solana and 21 numbers for validators for BNB, which is a killer. Solana killed BNB hands down. So total transaction to date at the time of this is 15 billion. 15 billion for Solana and 227 million for Ethereum and for BNB, which is a big one for Solana. So everyone out there, Solana has taken the spot. Solana is in the spot. Solana has taken that spot to the space. So everyone, shout out for Solana, shout out for Solana, shout out for Solana. Do you know what? Solana is gonna take all the space, is gonna take everything to the space. Solana is gonna take you to the space. It's gonna give you a wife changing money. It's gonna give you a husband changing money. It's gonna give you a family changing money. It's gonna give you a kid changing money. It's gonna give you a life changing money. Solana is just beginning. So right now, Solana is just undervalued. Solana is undervalued. So what are you waiting for? Look at BNB at the rate of 500. Look at BNB at the rate of 600. Now Solana is just low at the rate of 100. What are you waiting for? Ladder it into Solana right now before it's too late. I'm a preacher. Now you can call me a preacher, right? You can call me a preacher, right? So I'm just having fun right now. Giving you the best content. Hey, please kindly smash the like button, subscribe, follow me on Ruleboy Crypto Group on Telegram. Follow me on Twitter, @RU_ISED. You can also follow us on Ruleboy Crypto Group, Ruleboy Crypto on Twitter. If you're on Facebook, join us on YouTube. If you're on YouTube, join us on Facebook. Whichever place, whichever site, whichever social that is convenient for you, just follow us right there. So that's the few things that we have for today. I hope you enjoyed it. All I want for you is to share this content, share this stream, tell someone about Ruleboy Crypto. Tell someone about the new crypto group that is in the space right now. Tell someone about us. Tell someone about us today. Join us. Definitely, we're going to give you calls that are life-changing. We're going to share with you projects that are life-changing. We're going to tell you the next trending project. We're going to tell you what to do, and you are definitely going to scale your money. So all I want from you right now is just sit tight. Wherever you are, watch your charts. It's not your time to sell. It's not your time to sell. All you just need to do is to follow the chart, learn the chart, and be a good pro trader. If you are with us, you will become good in trading. Right? So right now, as I was talking, the 15 minutes broke. And the candle doesn't look right. The candle doesn't look right on 15 minutes. Look at the candle that we had on 15 minutes, which is not awesome. So everyone out there, trade safely. Trade safely. We just need to touch here. Then boom, we'll go up. Right? Now let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So I love you. I love you. Ruleboy love you. Stay safe.